National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a tornado warning for Northwestern Grant County and Central Arkansas, Southeastern Saline County in Central Arkansas, Northeastern Hot Spring County in Southwestern Arkansas until 5:30 p.m. At 4:53 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Perla, or near Malvern, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Benton, Bryant, Malvern, Haskell, Rockport, Traskwood, Tall, Perla, Salem in Saline County, Bauxite, Belfast, Magnet Cove, Fanter, Gifford, Shaw, Glen Rose.